Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your Mazda CX-30's infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 5 minutes, then reconnect. For audio problems, check your audio settings to ensure they haven't reverted. Most issues are fixable with these methods. If problems persist, it indicates a more serious issue. Keep your Mazda CX-30's infotainment system updated to prevent future problems. Check for updates in Settings, then System, then Software Update, connecting to Wi-Fi if needed. Mazda releases over-the-air updates to fix bugs and improve system stability. Dealers offer free software reinstalls for eligible models. Check if your VIN is eligible. Prevent issues by avoiding multitasking with demanding apps like navigation and audio simultaneously. If resets don't resolve the issue, visit a Mazda dealership for diagnostics and potential hardware fixes. Ensure you know your VIN to access all support options.